yo, it's Cookie, bang bang. That's my new little thing. Every time I come on, I'm gonna say, yo, it's Cookie, bang bang. And yeah, y'all wanna see some crazy shit? Y'all see my tag? I got my shirt inside out and shit. Whole other shit. Nah, but it's 1:02 in the morning, right? That's Central Time. But I'm bored as hell, so I just came up with this quick freestyle. And I'm gonna let y'all hear. And y'all can tell me y'all hate my ass and tell me boo-boo I need to suck a dick and die or whatever. But I don't do that shit for life. I'm not Weezy up, baby. I'm not Jay-Z. I'm not Jim Jones. I'm not Joe Fuss. I'm not just fucking around with some words and made a rap. But here you go. Pussy ass niggas always say they oh so real, but get the fucking crown when they ass see the still. See, I'm the type of female that I'll rush in a nigga home, and I'm so grown about it, I'll do it with no mask on. See, I'll put the phone so when nigga gone, have his ass scared like Nicole the Coke and went home alone. Bitch ass nigga thought he was flashing with the necklace. He tried to get high and get on reckless. I say, pussy nigga, do you really wanna do this? So I put the tech to his neck and like a necklace. All I gotta do is fuck a bitch once and she'll be hooked like cable. I'll fuck a bitch until she lost like she disabled. See, everybody just trying to hop in the game. But me, I don't need the game to get my thing. All these bitches already know my name. See, you pussies, I ain't shit, but just some fucking lames. And most of these niggas sweeter than sugar cane. They say, cause you a motherfucking boo. And I get bitches wetter than stepping out of pool. We get them choppers that'll make your body turn. Little moon ass niggas that'll put in work. And I'll fuck a bitch until a body go berserk. And this is a fucking freestyle. I ain't never did this before. And I'd be lying if I say I want fucking yo ho. And I'd be selfish if I wouldn't give them no more. And I would be focused if I say I went pro. This ain't no magazine, but I hope they feeling my vibe. And I'm everlasting like once the stride. And your baby girl can hop in my ride. And she can get on my face and take a ride. And baby girl, I won't never lie. But baby girl, you not my fucking wife. So baby girl, get the fuck out of my life. I'm just in it for the one night stand. And baby, this me Cookie, a one man band. No, that last part, that one part of the freestyle. After I said I'm everlasting like one stick stride. That was the freestyle that I had made up. All that other shit was just some shit I threw on there. But yeah, I'm lost on the road like Gorilla Zoe. What's that, baby? No, I'm just playing. I be doing some other shit. No, but yeah, that was just my freestyle, and yeah. So Cookie's out, over and out. Bang bang.